All right, 1992 Ford F150. Customer complaint, the window don't work. And he says the door doesn't open either. Which when he gets pulled over by the police, which it happened, he had nowhere to talk to the police. So he had to talk to him through the vent window. And he would like to, I gotta get this door open. He would like to get one of them working, or if not, both of them. So, and he's given us the luxury of pulling the door panel. I guess he was giving it a shot and gave up. So here it is. I printed out the diagram, I grabbed the test light and a set of keys. And we're gonna try to, this is like the best old school. This probably can't get any simpler, we hope, right? Come on. Keys on. Let's do the first things first. Let's verify the complaint. Up, down, nothing. That side works. Okay. And nobody home here. All right. Let me put this camera down and let's see. How about if I put this right? Nope. There. No. There. No. I'm gonna break this for sure. Test light 2.0, as per Eric. The only other addition to this I would like to do is the guys that put the banana plugs on them. I like that idea too. I might actually do that with one or two. Sorry about my big head. One or two. Flips around. There you go. It's better. I can see now. I see you. You see me. Let's not even go here. Let's just go right to the switch. Back side. Where are we? Left side. Up. Down. We got nobody home. Let me see if I can turn this a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna lose the camera. That's better. There we go. Up. Down. Nobody home. Let's try the other side. Up, down, nobody home. Diagram. Doesn't get, other than the glare. How's that? Master switch, simple enough. Light blue and black feeds the left and right side of the same switch. Two wires coming out. We got a yellow and a red to feed the motor. It can't possibly get any easier than that. Light blue and black. Key is on. Light blue and black. There's one of them, right? I don't know if you can see that, but it is lit. Light blue and black. There should be another one. There should be another one. And there's another one. Oh! Looky. That'll make it difficult. Now where does it go? Where does it go? It goes right there. You see that? And it looks like it is broken clean off. That is where it's supposed to go. Yep. Good luck finding one of these connectors, huh? I'm sorry, it's got that ding-dinging noise. I gotta work around it. Look at that. Now we have power there. Now, let's see. Where are we? Oh, look, we got power up. And this white and black is our connection to the plug. And then it goes red from there. So, there we go. And it still doesn't work. Awesome. Let's do one more. Let's go right to the plug. Still have power. So this thing, let's check the other side. And we still have power. So that was easy. Shut that thing up. Isn't that great? Keys out and it's still beeping. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, there we go. Better. Ah, simple enough. It's getting warm. We were complaining a month ago when it was cold. Now it's hot. Really? So, I'm guessing that connector's not going to be available. I'm going to have to give it a shot at fixing it. And a window motor. And then we'll check out his door. And, I don't know, have to see if maybe we can solder that together. That ain't going to be pretty, but it's a 92. I'm pretty certain that connector's not available. And if it is, it's going to be a nightmare to get. And this camera's shaking. Sorry. So I'm doing this on the fly without a stand. I'll have to hold it. So let me get on the horn, order motor. I'll get back to you and we'll check it out together. See if maybe I can solder that connector back in. Well, still waiting for the motor, but in the meantime I did fix a switch. It's not the prettiest thing in the world. What I actually did was I took a barrel connector, like a butt connector. Let's see if I can focus on that. And I went through the back of the connector. Drilled it out just a hair. And I think that'll probably outlast the truck at this point. Truck is 1992, so with a ton of mileage and a lot of rust. So that connector is in. I have my bulb in place. So click, click, up, down. So I know it works. It's in there tight. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the motor. And wait. And wait. Alright, motor's in. No, I didn't film it. It is not that difficult. Biggest thing on these old trucks, this was actually an original motor because these holes have never been drilled out. First time you do them, there's little dimples, you got to drill them out. These two, this one's kind of accessible, but I had a kind of little burring tool and just open it up here. 3 bolts, it drops out, 1 plug. Not worth dealing with the interruptions. Let's just try to film that. It's pretty simple. So we're plugged in. Has to swap over the connector. Moment of truth. Key on. Let's see, we got this thing panned out all the way. That's better. Oh, look at that. Beauty. And it's alive again. There was actually 2 defects with it, the broken wire and bad motor. I'm guessing the motor went bad first and somebody tried playing with it and broke it. It's just a guess. The door handle, the door not open, there's nothing wrong with it. Other than the handle's pulling out of the panel itself, it's ripping out from, I guess somebody pulling on it too hard. I don't know, it seems to work pretty fine for me. I'll lube it up. I'll see if I can reinforce the hole down a little bit and put this panel back on for him, I think. Well, it looks like he broke every single clip. We'll give it a shot. But that's it. Motor works. Simple circuit. Thanks for watching.